Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. I'm gonna cook another vegetarian tofu dish. High heat, frying pan, some vegetable cooking oil. I'm gonna pan fry the tofu first. I really enjoy eating my lunch and dinner yesterday with just vegetable, great flavor, and that pepper, bell pepper, tastes just like steak. If you've done it right, delicious, and my stomach feels great. By the way, not gassy or bloated, you know, and I probably lose a couple pounds. So today, I'm gonna do the same thing, but this time I'm gonna add tofu. This is a super firm tofu. We're just gonna brown a little bit. Maybe 2 to 3 minutes on each side. I love tofu. I'm gonna use the same recipe. If you want to twist it or add something else, no problem. It's easy to make and very healthy. Lightly brown like this is okay. The home cooking, make it very simple, not too complicated, right? All right, so that's good enough. Put it on the side. Like this. I'm gonna add some ginger and garlic. A lot. And then, I love gochujang. Oh my God, this is so good. This one is so delicious. I had so much fun eating it yesterday. Oh, seriously, trust me, make this recipe. I will not lie to you. I love steak and meat and everything else, fish, but I don't mind eating a couple days just vegetarian like this. No problem. Oh yeah, look at this. Borrow some oil. We need oil to cook. Don't be afraid. As long as you don't over put it, that's fine. And then, today, I went to the grocery store, buy a bunch of mixed vegetables. Got mushroom, carrot, Brussels sprout. Oh, the bell pepper, I tell you, if you stir fry, caramelize the bell peppers, it tastes like steak. Zucchini. Ah, look at that. This is a big pot. So, maybe I have my kids enjoy with me today. Ah, look at that, huh? Stir fry. Dry, high heat, flame, stir fry. So caramelize your vegetable. It's gonna taste so delicious. Eyeball it. We have a lot of vegetable today. Eyeball it. Add more ginger and garlic, mint is great. If you have shallot, it's great. You want basil, delicious. Everything go. For those who can cook with wine, add some wine to it. It's delicious. Infuse the flavor. See? Like this. That's beautiful. Gorgeous. So we're just gonna keep stir fry. You see the caramelization? That's flavor. Sometimes after you stir fry a few seconds, and you're just gonna let them sit. Your frying pan is nice and hot. Let them sit. Let them have a little caramelization like this. Vegetarian could be delicious and yummy. Okay, I've been stir fry this for maybe 7-8 minutes, high heat. You see that? You can see all the vegetable is translucent, is softened a little bit, but still crispy outside because they have sugar, natural sugar. Now is the time to seasoning. Hoisin sauce. I love hoisin sauce. Got nice sweet, just like that, you know. Go around, no problem. I add a little bit sriracha today, okay? Like that, a little sriracha, like that. See, easy. And then, light sodium soy sauce. Oh, delicious. This is just for flavor. Like that. Not too strong. Like that. It's good enough. You hear that? Huh? Delicious. Uh-oh. My smoke alarm is working again. Oh, look at this. Is delicious, man. Oh, boy. You can eat one meal. The rest, you can keep it. And reheat it in the microwave. Done. It's done. I don't want to cook too long. Like that. Sesame oil. I'm telling you, this is the best. I'm going to start doing this. You're going to lose weight, healthy. There's a way to eat your vegetables. Oh, man, look at that. Done. Sesame seed. Turn off the fire. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. I see you next time. Bye. Oh, I guarantee it's so tasty. Try this simple recipe at home.